Balances for live orders and returns automatically show on the cash flow forecast. Settings can be enabled to exclude intercompany control accounts and VAT amounts from the balances. Promise date and the trading terms is used to forecast the expected date for receipts and payments. If there's no promise date, the requested date is used, and if there's no promised or requested date, the order date is used. Alternatively, it can be set up to use the average time to pay. Forecast dates can be added directly to the orders and returns and can be entered down to order and return line level. To see order and return balances, open the cash flow forecast and select the cash flow set you're working with. Expand the sales section, sales orders, and this is showing balances at account level because the level of detail is set to be account. If you want to see balances by order, select Document or select Item to see balances down to item line. When I expand my sales orders, I can now see balances per order and per item line. In this example, the expected receipt date is November. This is based on the promise date and the customer terms. Right-clicking a balance allows you to view or amend orders depending on your permissions. In this example, the promise date in October with the customer terms of 30 days means the receipt is expected in November. If there's no promise date, the requested date is used, and if there's no promised or requested date, the document date is used. Forecast dates can also be set directly on the sales order screen. On the individual item lines, you can set a forecast date, and in this example, changing the promise date to November means the expected receipt date is now December. You can also add and remove forecast dates using the right-click functionality. Or using the drag and drop functionality. Memos can be added using the right-click functionality, which can be added to the order or item line. These memos can be viewed when viewing or amending the order on the cash flow memo screen, meaning you can add memos directly to the orders via the forecast or when amending the order, and also on the item line. The settings can be used to use the average time to pay to calculate the forecast dates or to remove VAT from the totals. This will change items based on the promise date, but items with forecast dates will remain unchanged.